Mark Zeese here, Bible Land Explorer. I trust all is well with you in the place where you are. The place where I am is commonly known as Jethro's Cave. For those of you who know the biblical story, you're aware of the fact that Jethro was the father-in-law of Moses. And here in these stone folds rests the memory of Moses and Jethro. As I look at some of these structures, what I'm seeing here are Nabatean tombs, and according to our local guide, these tombs date to about 300 BC, which puts them older than the tombs that we typically appreciate at the site of Petra in Jordan. These are pure Nabatean or older Nabatean in style and architecture than the ones that we frequently hear and see. But what's exciting about this part of the world here in this corner of Saudi Arabia is that this is an area that has not been fully explored, not been fully mapped, not been fully studied. And I'm sure in the years to come, we're going to hear more and more and more about the pre-Islamic and Nabatean cultures of ancient Midian.